Scott and Sandy's 69 Lincoln Continental Mark III. Been having a little fuel leak issue. Been having a little issue where it run good for a while and then it starts to sputter and stumble and die. Well, needless to say, we found the carburetor was leaking quite a bit of fuel. Similar situation to Andy's Mark III, which there's some video of it on here as well. So we're going to dig in and work on the carb. Already got the carb pulled, so jumping right into the build. All right, boys and girls, typical Motorcraft 4300. First thing I noticed yesterday when I was just dumping the gas out of this, well, I flipped it over like so, and a screw came out. Oh, look, there's still some gas in it too. Anyways, that was kind of weird. So first order of business is going to be check all these screw holes and make sure they're not stripped. So the one that fell out yesterday, definitely stripped out. So the screw that came out of the stripped hole isn't even the right screw. Looks like somebody has sanded that to try to make it correct. So I've got all our screws out here at the top. And that was the only one that stripped, which is promising. So I'm going to pull the choke rod off here. Undo this little pin here for the secondaries. And undo this lovely cotter pin job on the accelerator pump. Now we're going to take this top cover off and see how bad we are inside. Alright, so we've got our top off here. The floats and everything. A lot of our fuel leak was up around the front of the bowl. All around in here. So we're going to take the accelerator pump out. Accelerator pump. There's a spring that shouldn't be collapsed, but it is. See it down in there, along with the check ball. Interesting. There goes the check ball. So she's been quite the leaky mess. Flip this over right now. I'm gonna pull off the base plate. See what we got going on. Ugh. Got our base plate off. And let's just say, holy varnish, Batman. Ugh. Lots of yucky. Actually, it looks like it's been seeping out of the casting, which is one reason why there's probably epoxy on the fuel inlet. And there should be some epoxy back here. But man, that's a lot of leaking. I just don't think we can get this baby to true up, but we will see. So some of the sources of our leak is here at the bottom of the bowl, which connects directly to right there. So cast passageways frequently leak. Man, this one's got some weight to it. This baby's heavy. Anyway, so I'm gonna see what Scott and Sandy want to do. Shall we epoxy? Shall we replace with a reman? We shall see.